Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what I received in May from IPSY. I'm super excited to dig in here. IPSY in May was so I have like the Glam Bag, and then I have the Glam Bag X, so I'm super excited to see what I got. I know this video is a little late coming out. It's now, we're into June now, but that's okay. We're still going to take a look and see what we have in here. But before we get started, if you love all things beauty, makeup, and fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new content on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I would love if you would join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, we're going to just dig right in here. So here is my Glam Bag from IPSY. And I'm super excited to see what we have. And the bag is very pretty. It's kind of like floral, light pink pastel. Very nice. Let's grab the card in here. The theme is Flower Power. So that's what that looks like. And I'll go ahead and open this so we can read about some of the things in here. So the first thing we have, and I'm pretty sure this is what I had chosen for the month, this is Kinship Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen, Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 32. I am on the hunt for a good sunscreen, so I'm interested to trying this one out. So it says here, good for your skin and the environment. This mineral sunscreen is safe for all skin types, including sensitive and our ocean reefs too. It uses zinc oxide to protect your face, neck, and chest, plus antioxidant-rich turmeric and a probiotic complex to soothe your complexion. Let's see, deluxe sample. So the full version of this is $25. So this is a deluxe sample of it. All right, moving on to the next item in here. We have, this is Bonjour Eggplant Daily BHA Toner. I don't think I've heard of this brand, but that's what that looks like. So this says, got oily or acne prone skin? This purifying toner is for you. It uses salicylic acid and eggplant extract to get rid of pore clogging, dead skin cells, and excess sebum without leaving behind a sticky residue. Use it twice daily on clean skin for a complexion that's clearer, smoother, and breakout free. This is another deluxe sample, MSRP of $27.27 for the full size. Next up we have one Smooth Operator Pore Clearing Face Scrub. Apparently we have a lot of skincare in this one. This is what that looks like. And then it says here, perfect for acne-prone, oily, or congested skin. This exfoliating face scrub uses pumice and oats to slough up dead skin cells, buildup, and debris. The result, skin that's clear, smooth, and incredibly glowy. Again, this is a deluxe sample. The full size of this is $6.99, so pretty reasonably priced. All right, we should have two more things in here. The next item we have is from Hip Dot, which is awesome. I really like Hip Dot eyeshadows. So it's this little, probably maybe like a single eyeshadow. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, very pretty, very like neutral. So this is a single, oh, it's a blush. This is a single blush in Solstice, soft, blendable, buildable, and made without potentially harmful ingredients like parabens or phthalates. This versatile blush checks all the right boxes. The universally flattering soft peach shade instantly perks up your complexion too. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $24. All right, moving on to our last one. It is by St. Lux. I've received a lot of St. Lux stuff in the past several months. Usually they're like eyeliners or lip liners. This is in Vino Moscato Lip Liner Duo. So this is another lip liner duo. Well, let's take a look and see what they look like. This may end up going into future giveaways only because I already have a lot of lip liners and I probably have very similar shades to this, but these are very pretty. And I do like the St. Lux pencils I've received so far. Do I wear a lot of lip liners? No, but I do have a lot. I just never really wear them. I'm too lazy to put lip liner on before my lipstick. So let's read about this real quick. Our love for lip liner remains strong thanks to this gel liner duo. Moscato is a deep berry and Vino a berry mauve. Look beautiful alone or paired together and complement so many of your favorite lipsticks. The silky smooth formulas are creamy, long-lasting, and deeply hydrating. This is full size and it has an MSRP of $40. So this is going to go into a future giveaway. All right, that is it for my IPSY Glam bag. So now we're going to move into the Glam Bag X, which I'm most excited for. All right, I can't really show you the front of the box because that's where my address is, but here is the big old box and let's get it open. All right, so first off, we have the little newspaper that comes in the box. And this month, it was curated by Khloe Kardashian. That's cool, I guess. I know there's a lot of big fans of the Kardashians. I'm not one of them, but I am interested to see what we have in this box. So the first thing we have, there's a lot of stuff in here. The first thing we have is, I'm pretty sure I picked this one. It's the Lalia Breathe Peony and White Lily hand cream. This packaging is so pretty and I do love a good hand cream. Peony and White Lily, I bet you it smells amazing. I'm pretty sure that the camera angle probably just jumped because it ran out of battery and I think maybe like the zoom, something changed. So if it did, it ran out of battery, that's why. All right, I don't know where I last left off. The next item I received was the Olaplex number 0 Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. I have the number 3. I don't use it as often as I should, but I really like it, so I'm excited to try this out. All right, next up we have Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm by Rodial, which, was that in this? No, actually in BoxyCharm, I also received like under eye patches. So this is a cleansing balm, lift and illuminate. Luxurious cleansing balm removes makeup and dirt from face whilst visibly transforming the appearance of the skin. I like the packaging. The packaging is very pretty. But that is what this looks like. It sounds and it feels very thick, so it almost feels like maybe it's like a cleansing oil type thing where it'll melt off all the makeup. So interesting, looking forward to trying that out. Next up we have 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I know 111 Skin is pretty pricey. This booster is formulated with Rosa Damascena and pure gold to enhance the natural radiance of skin for a coveted dewy lit from within complexion. Sallow skin will become utterly incandescent. Let's see what this looks like inside. Yeah, it's just like a little dropper. It looks very pretty. I think I have like some of their masks, I believe. So looking forward to trying that out. All right, we have 2 more items in here. The next item, 3 more items. I missed one. The next item we have is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Modern Renaissance Eyeshadow Palette. I actually own this already, so this is going to go into future giveaway pile. This is what the colors look like inside, but this is a really nice palette. I'm really excited that it's in here, and I'm really excited to be able to give it away in the future. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway pile. All right, next up we have a brow pen, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in dark brown. This is what that looks like. I know she started with like brow stuff, I believe. I don't think I've ever tried any of her brow stuff, so I'm interested to see how this works. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, it's like a brush tip marker for the brows. That's kind of cool. Nice. I'm excited to try this out. And last but not least, in my Glam X box, we have Tower 28 Coconut Milky Lip Jelly. Ooh, I think this might be really pretty. I might try this out in coconut. I might wear this today. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. It doesn't really have too much of a scent. I'm already wearing gloss, but I'm going to put a little of this on. It feels really nice, and it adds just a hint of color. I like it. It's not sticky, it's just nice and moisturizing feeling. All right, that is it for my IPSY month of May for my Glam Bag and my Glam Bag X. The winners for the month, I'm going to say the Gua Sha Rose Quartz Stone. I'm really, really excited to try this out. Probably the Olaplex the things I picked, I'm most excited for. The Olaplex. I'm really happy with the eyeshadow palette from ABH. I think that's gonna be awesome for a future giveaway, but it was a pretty good month, a pretty decent month for May. I'm looking forward to seeing what June has in store. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much when you do so. And until next time, guys, bye!